Welcome to Suntop Laser. Today, we are showcasing our laser engraving solutions for metal designed for precision and durability across various industries. Our laser engraving technology works flawlessly on a wide range of metals, including stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and brass. With high precision, it delivers clear, permanent engravings for logos, barcodes, serial numbers, and more. Laser engraving offers non-contact processing, meaning no wear and tear on the material. It produces highly detailed designs without compromising the metal's surface, ensuring the engraving is both durable and resistant to wear over time. For high-quality, long-lasting engravings on metal, trust Suntop Laser. Learn more about our engraving solutions at suntoplaser.com.